If you want to know how to download and install Roblox, you are in the right place. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, open any browser on your computer, search for roblox.com and you will land on this page. Now you can sign in into your Roblox account, and if you don't have one yet, just create a new one right here on the left side. Once you are logged in, you will see a page like this. Just find any game and click on it. After this, you will see a blue play button. Just click on it. Since we haven't downloaded and installed Roblox yet, there will be a download Roblox blue button right here. Just click on it. There will be an installer file downloaded. Just open it right here in the download section, or just open your downloads folder and double click on it to install Roblox. Wait until Roblox is fully installed and it will open automatically. Now you just need to sign in into your Roblox account and you will land on the page with the game you just selected before. You can now click on home in the top left corner and then you can find and search any game you want to play. Or you can just click on play right here and the game will be started. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.